I'm Kimberly with Ignite Coaching and Consulting, where our goal is to help your small business change the way that you communicate in order to attract more qualified traffic through your doors. Today, I want to discuss the idea of your website. Now, I'm sure if you're like me, the thought of redoing your website yet again is probably overwhelming. But have you ever thought about what it might look like if your website was actually a 24-hour salesperson? And not only a 24-hour salesperson, but your best 24-hour salesperson, your hardest working salesperson. What would your website look like? What questions would it answer? If someone was walking through your virtual location via your website, what would they find there? What would they ask? I want to provide a framework to you that is guaranteed to drive conversion from your website by doing just that. The process is very simple. We will take a look at your current website. We will begin this process by asking you a few questions, not only from you, but also from your sales team about three things. One, who is your ideal customer? Who is your best potential customer? There are certain nuances around the people that choose to do business with you and refer your business to other people, and we want to find out what those are. The next thing that we want to do is find out where the pain points in the buying cycle is. What does the sales cycle for your business look like? At what point is a customer introduced? How long does it take them to commit and buy from you? We want to understand a little bit more about that process. We also want to understand the common objections or frequently asked questions that come up when your salespeople are having an interaction with a potential customer. And then finally, we want to evaluate the channels and the platforms that you're actively using to gain exposure in the marketplace. By evaluating these three things, we are going to help you put a strategic plan in place where you can be a more effective communicator and attract the right clients who are already in the market to purchase or to buy what you are selling. So to get started in this, we ask that you book a 30-minute call with our team where we can dive into a little bit of this information. It's very simple. You simply go to igniteconsulting.biz, B-I-Z, and you will find a discovery booking link where you can book a 30-minute time slot with me to review this information at your convenience.